All right, thank you, John. Yeah, we love Wednesdays because we get to cook with our Common Ground volunteers. Yeah. And Carol, today you have a recipe that is from a neighbor of yours.
Yeah, her name's Cara. It's Karen and Darren. They're a delightful young couple that farm my farm.
Okay.
So I've known them for a long time and kind of watched Darren grow up. They're in their late 20s. Mm-hmm. And food is always an important thing to all of us, but especially during harvest, they seem to come up with these fabulous things to take to the field. And this is such an easy recipe.
You said easy 3 times, was it? So it must be easy.
See, it's got to be easy.
So this is named after Cara, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I asked her if she had any ideas, and because I said I need a recipe, and so I gave her a call. Beans, like I said, these are excellent food people.
Oh, okay.
Always have wonderful food. So we'll take a tub of yogurt.
Okay.
Then we'll mix up. This is a box of vanilla. Just the powder. Just dump it in, and
just,
we'll just
plain, not instant.
Yeah,
or
instant,
is it instant?
It's instant pudding, and
okay.
you just stir it.
So it is instant pudding.
Yeah,
okay.
just stir and stir and stir.
Okay.
And get it stirred together. Then we'll put the Cool Whip in. Fold the Cool Whip in.
Okay.
And that's just a regular sized tub of Cool Whip.
You don't need a mixer for this, all by hand?
Yeah, you can do it by hand. Probably maybe a little better to do it by hand so it doesn't get all... Mm-hmm. Sometimes it tends to get a little bit runny if you use a mixer too much.
Okay.
And then we'll put the raspberries in.
Okay.
And these are frozen just from the store. And
could you use fresh, or do you want it cold?
I think you could use fresh. If you have a nice raspberry bush, you could use fresh in there. Mm-hmm. Okay. And it would just all be... You know, it's just so easy, so fast. Mm-hmm. And you know, sometimes you need somebody will say, oh, we're coming over, and you can just whip this up really fast.
Yeah.
Because it's, you know, some salads need to set, but this one is tasty whether it sets or not. And, oh, if you need, well, like in the field, people are getting ready for harvest, and having food ready at all times, day or night, is kind of tricky sometimes. They try to plan ahead, but sometimes they get behind.
Right.
And this was a really good one for that too, because if you want something good, and you want something interesting and something kind of different, because the same old sandwiches and same old sandwiches,
right.
day after day, and then this is fun.
Vary
this is a
it
good
up.
one.
So then, would you put this in the refrigerator or freezer? Or?
Yeah, you could put it in the fridge. Just put it in the refrigerator and let it set. But like I said, you can serve it immediately if you have people coming right away.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Put it in a little fancy dish or whatever.
Fancy, little parfait dishes, and put some raspberries on top.
You're ready to go.
You could go anyway.
All right. Thank you, Carol. Looks like a good one. We'll send it back to you, John.